When I meet with my clients and prospects, one of the things I always get asked is, how can we use technology to save money, become more efficient, more productive? I say it's super simple. Right? There's a couple of things we can do right off the bat to get that happen. Right? First, email security. Having email security will eliminate 99% of junk emails, spam emails that your employees are wasting their time going through, reviewing, and what's worse is potentially clicking on something they shouldn't click, or open something that they shouldn't click or open. And sometimes they get a phishing email saying, hey, I'm running into a meeting, I need you to get gift cards, please buy it, it's urgent, we're gonna surprise everybody. And you're not gonna believe how many people fall for those things till this day. So by eliminating that, you're reducing your attack surface, you're reducing the number of emails that people, your staff, has to go through, and you'll be surprised that on average that could free up about 10% of their time just by implementing a good email security. The other big one is web or content filtering. Most of the time, employees start clicking on websites and opening websites and reviewing things they should not business related, have nothing to do with business. A couple of things. Obviously, their productivity goes down because now they're wasting their time on websites they shouldn't be wasting. The other thing, a lot of those websites, they pose a huge risk to your network and everything else because they might have malware or something like that. So by enabling and implementing like a web content filtering solution, you're gonna increase your productivity, your employee staff productivity significantly, and you're gonna reduce that risk of somebody clicking on a link that's gonna take him to a malware or malicious site significantly as well. So those are the two things you can do now that doesn't cost a lot. It's gonna drastically increase employee productivity and decrease your cybersecurity risk. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of ITfirm.com. If you need help with your IT or cybersecurity, please give us a call. We'll be more than happy to have a conversation with you about this and check how we can help you increase that productivity and lower your costs.